Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 21st July 2025. Indian banks face challenges in attracting large corporations back to traditional lending. Companies are increasingly favoring capital markets for funding. Bond and equity markets offer competitive rates. HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank have reported slower corporate loan growth. Reliance Industries Ltd or RIL, led by Mukesh Ambani, has announced that all its clean energy gigafactories will become operational within the next 4 to 6 quarters. These facilities will manufacture key products such as solar panels, batteries, and electrolysers used to produce green hydrogen. The factories are being set up in Jamnagar, Gujarat, on a sprawling site near the company's massive oil refinery complex, the largest in the world. These units will bring down RIL's energy costs by at least 25% and are expected to deliver strong returns on capital. A major overhaul of India's tax law is set to move forward as a report of the Parliamentary Committee scrutinizing the new Income Tax Bill 2025 will be tabled in the Lok Sabha on Monday. The bill seeks to replace the 6-decade-old Income Tax Act 1961 with a simplified framework aimed at clarity, reducing litigation, and streamlined compliance. The Income Tax Bill 2025, according to FAQs issued by the Income Tax Department, is about half the size of the current Act, with a word count of 2.6 lakh down from 5.12 lakh in the 1961 law. The number of sections has been brought down to 536 from 819, and the number of chapters halved to 23 from 47. The Income Tax Department has released the latest version 1.4.0 of the Common Offline Utility for Forms 3CA 3CD and 3CB 3CD, essential for filing audit reports under Section 44AB of the Income Tax Act 1961. The updated utility was released on July 17, 2025 and is now available for download from the Income Tax e-filing portal. The latest version includes updated form schema files and an updated schema change document version 2.2 to reflect all changes. These updates are aimed at improving the filing process and ensuring compatibility with the latest compliance requirements. India remains one of the most compelling strategic locations within emerging markets, thanks to its economic resilience, reform momentum, and robust domestic demand, private equity firm KKR said. Despite a turbulent global environment, India's relative insulation from trade frictions, owing to its domestic consumer-driven economy and services-led exports, has kept its macroeconomic fundamentals strong. Between July 14th and July 19th, 2025, as many as 26 Indian startups from diverse sectors raised over $110 million in funding from investors. These sectors include deep tech, Internet of Things, space tech, food tech, AI, quick commerce, drone tech, B2B, fintech, healthcare, cybersecurity, and wellness. Last week, Indian startups raised over $124 million with NBFC firm CreditWise Capital raising $23.3 million alone. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.